Hi, I'm Scott, and this is the EdgeStar DWP61ES, the 6-place setting countertop dishwasher. Now this unit will hold 6 place settings in its large stainless steel interior. The unit will hold plates up to 10.5 inches in diameter. The DWP61ES has 6 wash settings and will heat water up to 149 degrees Fahrenheit, which is good for sanitizing things. Now at only 17.5 inches tall and 21.75 inches wide, this unit will fit easily on any kitchen counter, RV, or boat. Also, the DWP61ES is Energy Star rated and only uses 3.5 gallons on a normal wash cycle. Finally, it comes with everything you need to get it hooked up and going, including an inlet and drain hose and a faucet adapter. I'm Scott, and this is the EdgeStar DWP61ES, the 6-place setting, Energy Star rated countertop dishwasher by EdgeStar. Pick one up today.